Hello everyone, this is Dr. Mahima. So today in this video, I'm going to talk about the protein diet in cases of CKD patients. So first of all, I would like to tell why protein diet is very important in cases of CKD. Because there is a level in your KFT reports. If you see your KFT reports, there are so many levels. So there are so many waste products also. So there is one level which is urea. So if you check your urea, so in cases of CKD, the level of urea is quite high. And why it is high? Because urea is a waste product that should be excreted out from your kidney. And in cases of kidney diseases, the urea is not coming out from your body. It is stored in the blood and it is causing various symptoms. So urea is a waste product that is metabolized by the breakdown of your protein. So that is why there is a relation with your protein and the KFT reports. So that is why there is a relation with the urea and with the CKD. So that's why doctors allow you to take a low protein diet, and also the doctors also check your reports. On the basis of your reports, also on the basis of your urea level also, we determine which kind of diet you should take. But today in this video, I'm going to tell you a light protein diet that is very helpful in cases if your urea level is quite high. So let's talk about the light protein diet which you can take. So there are certain vegetables that you can take in light protein diet. So first vegetable is carrot. You can take carrot. Carrot is very good for your kidney, and the amount of protein in carrot is very less. So I would recommend you to take carrot. You can take carrot twice in a week. You can make stuffed roti, stuffed paratha with carrot also, and also you can take carrot in the form of salad. Second vegetable is pumpkin. Pumpkin is very good for the kidney patient, and we advise to take pumpkin to all our kidney patient. Why? Because pumpkin is very low in protein. So that is why take the pumpkin. You can make the curry of pumpkin. Also you can boil the pumpkin and you can sweet dish out of pumpkin. So anyhow you want to take the pumpkin in any shape or in any form, you can consume it. The third vegetable is radish. Radish is also less in protein, but the one thing with radish is that radish is full of water. So in cases of kidney patient, we also check the water content. So I advise to the kidney patient, you take less amount of radish, but you can take it. And if you want to make stuffed roti with the stuffed paratha with the radish, then you can take it. And also you can take the radish in raw form. And the next vegetable is onion. Onion is also very low in protein amount, so you can take the onion. So there are those several dishes that you can make out of the onion. So these are the few vegetables that you can take on daily basis and which is very safe for the kidney patient. So I hope this video is helpful for the kidney patient who wants to take the light protein diet. Thank you.